So today we're going to talk about using the panel mode or the slow mode when running the shear head or panels for the machine. So as the machine is designed, there are two safety barriers. One is the 49-inch barrier, as you can see that we've marked on the floor here. And then there's a second barrier, which is what we're going to be using in our panel mode, which is about 32 inches away from the bend line. And the way this system works is if you're loading parts that are going to cut on the shear or large panels, anything that's going to stick 4 inches or more away from the bend line while it's in process of automatic bending, you can walk into the first barrier and the machine will stop. As long as you're outside of the second barrier, the lights, the LED lights on the machine will blink blue and white. That's your indication that the machine is in panel mode. From there, you can walk over to the foot pedal that's assigned the number 1 pedal, and you can press and hold this pedal. And as long as you stay outside of the 32-inch barrier, then the machine will continue to run. So things that are in your shear that are sticking really far out, if you want to cut large panels, you're able to assist and hold these things as the shear moves because it's moving with the foot pedal, so you can let go and stop it whenever you want, or you can stay pressed on it and you can assist the parts. But if you step into that barrier while trying to assist, it will stop until you back up from the barrier and then it will resume. But you still have the range of motion to hold your part, but without getting yourself into the machine. Let's run a piece. Okay, so now we're going to run a piece and demonstrate this function. I have to stand behind the 49-inch line when I start the profile. In my case, I'm loading on the tables. If you have automatic loading, you can load from the load table and you don't have to be in this area at all until it starts to cut with the shear. Put my part in. And the process has to start in the automatic mode. Once this beam comes down and clamps, you can break that shear. Now I can walk into the 49-inch line. As long as I stay behind the 32-inch line, I can hold this and press the foot pedal and it will continue to run. I'm going to go one more cycle. I can hold the piece. If I let go of the foot pedal, the shear stops. If I press again, it will continue to run. And this keeps your feet and legs 32 inches from the machine and your hands far enough away that you don't get yourself inside the clamping beam.